Parang hirap mag-concert eh. Isip ng konsepto na iba.
Oo. Pero kanina ang ganda yung performance mo, tuloy-tuloy. Sabi ko,
Ipoproduce kita ng concert.
Sige po.
sabi ko, ang galing-galing mo, ano, energy mo, niwawala. Bakit? Anong sikreto?
po?
Ang energy mo, di nawawala.
Kailangan syempre pag tungtong mo doon, dapat full energy ka na. Hindi pwede.
Oo. Hanggang ilan kanta ginawa mo kanina?
Sa ngayon?
Kanina.
Kanina?
15 songs?
Wala pa.
Wala pa.
kasi naputol.
Wala pa yata 10 eh.
Oo nga, naputol
Ganon.
tayo. Pero
No.
I prepared like 22 songs.
22 songs. Oo. Oo.
Kaya lang naputol tayo.
Bakit?
Parang pumayat ka ngayon.
Pero mahihilok siya. Ano? Oo nga. Ba't bihira ka talaga tumanggap? Bihira ka talaga tumanggap ng concert? Bihira.
Hindi naman po. Yung solo concert, hindi pa ako. Parang nagre-ready pa lang.
Ready ka?
Oo, kasi syempre, kailangan ng bagong concept.
Oo. Oo.
But yung last ko was yung concert ka with Benny Saturno's music
Oo.
sa Resorts World Resorts.
Oo.
So doon ko yung ginawa.
Madalas sila mag-ikot yung grupo nila.
Oh,
Saka si ano rin, si Marco Sison, saka si Dulce, ang dalas ko nakita yun sa mga event.
yeah.
Oo.
Mga ano yun, mga staple na rin.
Oo.
Sa mga ganito.
Ang galing mo kanina, no? Non-stop eh. Oo. Ang lakas ng energy nito. Ang galing-galing.
Nostalgia.
Oo, kailangan nostalgia.
Nostalgia.
Kailangan umayon dun sa audience.
Oo.
At saka sa panahon. So, syempre,
Oo.
Valentine's.
Binabago mo yung script minsan? Yung
Style?
lyrics, binabago mo?
Hindi yung style.
Ay, yung style?
Yung style
ina-update.
rendition.
Updated.
Hindi man updated. Parang bagay lang sa style ko. Kasi I veer away from the original rendition.
Ang American version, yun. Yung natutunan ko sa sa The Voice USA, kapanood ko.
Kailangan kasi syempre.
American version, oo. Tama, oo.
So, what are your future plans?
Well, I'm planning to do my concert this year. Well, yung tuloy-tuloy na pag-release ng mga singles. Dahil puro singles na ngayon eh. Because of the music platform.
Do you have some kind of innovations?
Yeah.
Repackaging of your...
Well, I try to use some of the new music technology and try to listen. I listen to new music para ma-incorporate to be able to give a new feature and sound ng sarili kong music. Pero ganun pa rin, I still write songs about the environment, about peace, about anything that,
Ilan na upcoming single mo?
Meron akong ilalabas na 4 na singles this year.
This year?
And then it will be compiled into an album.
All about environment?
Hindi naman po, iba-iba.
Hmm.
May puro mga love songs na.
Love songs, oo.
Yeah. So I also try to write. Kasi dati hindi naman ako nagsusulat ng love songs.
All written by you and composed?
Yeah.
Ang galing.
And I also collaborate with other artists.
Oh. Could you give me some bird's eye view of that new songs?
The new songs?
Oo.
Well, I just released a single and fortunately it won the Wish Music Award for contemporary folk music.
What's the title?
Umaykan. It's written in Ilocano. Yeah. And then I will be releasing a song. It's a love song, but with a different twist. With the use of a new technology, like electronic. So music na yun, ganun na yun. And then I'm going to release also like there's this one that I wrote about. It's an R&B. R&B.
It's not yet released.
It's not yet released. It will be released this year.
Very noted for acoustic music.
Yes, yes. Meron pala akong single na bago.
Oo.
It's a very minimalist ang arrangement. It's also a love song. Ang title ay Aking Diwata. So, it's
So, who's in your inspiration in writing that song?
my wife.
Okay.
How many kids?
I only have one.
Wow, tipid.
So, but it's not just for her, but it's for everybody who, you have to put your other half on a pedestal.
So, do you plan to make a rounds, media tour to promote?
Yeah, I'm planning to do a bar tour this year, and of course, I mostly do private events. It's
Where
not
do
like
you-
before
Where
na-
do you regularly sing in
No,
public?
no bars.
Wala,
No,
bars
hindi.
like that. Yeah.
It's not like before.
Birthdays.
Yeah, I also perform for birthdays, weddings,
Corporate.
corporate.
What genre is your kind of music?
It's
do you
basically,
categorize?
basically folk music.
Folk music
Folk.
siya.
Well, ang tawag lang, acoustic.
Oo. Ayan o.
And there's also ballad.
Oh, yung kanina nagbalad ka.
Noel and I magkasama kami
Thank you,
sa
thank you,
People's
thank you.
Tonight dati.
Okay.
Kaya nagkakalala kami.
Nakalimutan ko na. Sabi ko, kasi magkasama kami. Then I used to, during the time of Franklin Cabaluna
Yeah.
and Fred Marquez,
Siya ang mga editor namin.
mga editors namin. O kami magkasama, nag-interview ka ng mga artista. Now I'm into business na.
Oh,
Kaya
yes.
na-miss ko rin. Magkasama kami nila Dalian Carvajal.
Si Dalian, yeah.
Oo.
Yeah. It's a friend.
Yeah. Siguro in one, if ever you have concerts again, then you can, can call us. We can help.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
thank you,
Noel.
Noel.